These past couple weeks, we've been bringing some really cool, awesome gadgets and tools to the channel. And of course, if you were subscribed, you know that already. Well, we found another one, and if you use a hammer, you might want to watch this video. The hammer and nail. They've been working in harmony together since, well, I don't know. Definitely a match made in heaven, but unfortunately sometimes a third party tries to get in between them. The thumb. Yep, sometimes it wants to break up that happy home. Let me give you an example. You get your nail, you're ready to do your work, you might be in a hurry, and you go a little too quick. You miss your nail completely and you smash your thumb. You smash your thumb. Alright, we get it! Ay, ay, ay. And that is where this cool tool comes in. This, my friend, is called the Safety Nailer, and it says right on the package, invented by a US veteran. Very cool. So let me show you how this thing works. You got a couple different holes up on top. Usually when you take your hammer, you're going in straight as you can and hoping for the best. Now, a lot of you out there, you're skilled trades. I get it. Some people, not so much, and you also run that risk of smashing your finger. You also have a chance of buckling that screw, or you're just missing your mark altogether. So that's where the Safety Nailer comes in. Now, just to let you know, we have nothing to do with the manufacturer of this product. I pay for this myself online on Amazon. But you can see there's a couple straps out on the side. You put your thumb in one, your pointer in the other, and check it out. Now, it doesn't matter the size of nail. You can go larger framing nails like this one here, or you can go smaller finish nails if you wanted. Now, what's really cool about this is the design. It's a little bit awkward at first, but the way it angles down, it sets that nail up completely straight and you're able to drive it without any issue. While at the same time, your fingers are completely protected because of the way the top of this is designed. And now that you drove your nail in, you can continue to pound away as much as you want. But that's not the only cool part about this. It's made up of a heavier plastic, so that's really cool. But there's also magnets on each side, so you don't have to worry about your nails or your screws falling out of this. Now, I wish I would have had this the other day because I was working on a project with my son and I was allowing him to hammer in the nails while I was holding it. That, my friend, did not work out well for me. And this definitely would have helped. But another cool thing is what happens if you're going into an angle or an awkward position. This actually helps out a lot. It really does do a great job holding that nail, and it allows you to swing and don't have to worry about being so precise. But what about corners? This is what I thought was really cool about this. We're right on the edge, you put it down, boom, you hit it, and it goes right in. You can put your nail in any awkward area with this as long as it fits in, and it will go right in. It does an excellent job holding that. If we bring that down even further into the tool, you can see it's still straight. You don't have to worry about it bending down or flying off when you hit it in a weird angle. Now you can just pound her down in. Really, really cool. But what about screws? Yes, it even works with screws. You get them started, and that's it. You just drive them down in. All right, let's check out the inside real quick. You can see there's different slots for different sizes. And you have that magnetic power right there that you don't have to worry about those nails falling out on you, even if you open this thing up. So again, if you're working up on a ladder, you're worried about dropping your screw or your nail or whatever you're doing, it just does a really good job. Hold up, I think he wants to say something.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Very well said. Now, there are a couple downsides. One is, it's a little bit bulky. Not everybody is going to use this. It's not made for everybody. It does come with a couple bands. They're made out of rubber, thicker rubber bands basically. And one of these days, they're gonna break. Probably sooner than later. So I wish they would have made the bands that you put your fingers into out of cloth instead of rubber. The other thing I will tell you is that it works flawlessly with nails, but if you use this for anything other than just holding on to your screws, well, it's probably going to chew up the inside of the tool. But me personally, I really like this. Being able to drive that nail into that corner of the tree to 6x6 like it did so easily, I thought that was fantastic. And to be honest, I'd probably struggle to do that freehand. Other than the rubber bands on the side, I think it's pretty heavy duty. The plastic, really nice, really thick. It's a harder plastic, so yeah. I'll put a link in the description below for the Safety Nailer tool. I want to know what you think. Have you ever seen this before? Have you used it before? If you have, what do you think? Leave me a comment in the comment section below. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. Hit that bell notification so you don't miss out on any other tool reviews. Don't forget to smash that like button. It helps out the video. And come say hi to us on the Instagram page at Tool Review Zone. With that, we'll be back with more videos soon.